Welcome to 5 Minute Summaries. Today we will be dealing with Joseph Conrad or Joseph Theodor Conrad Korsinowski. This is an English writer of Polish descent. That's why his name is Konrad Korsinowski. He was born on 3rd December 1857 and he died on August 1924. He is a master prose stylist, and most of his works have a nautical setting or they are related to ocean and sea. The major works of Joseph Conrad are Almayer's Folly, The Outcast of the Islands, The Knicker of the Narcissus, Heart of Darkness, which was published on 1899, Lord Jim 1900, The Inheritors 1901, Typhoon 1902, and The End of Tether 1902. His other works include Romance along with Ford Madox Ford 1903, Nostromo 1904, The Secret Agent 1907, Under Western Eyes 1911, Chance 1913, Victory 1915, The Shadow Line 1917, The Arrow of Gold 1919. You have to remember that Chinua Achebe has written a work called The Arrow of Gold. The Rescue 1920, The Nature of Crime 1923 along with Ford Madox Ford or Ford Madox Hufer, The Rover 1923, The Suspense is the unfinished work of Joseph Conrad which was published posthumously. First, let's discuss Almayer's Folly. Almayer's Folly discusses the life of a Dutch trader named Caspar Almayer and his relationship with his daughter Nina. This work was his first novel and this was published on 1895. The second work is The Knicker of Narcissus. There is a subtitle for this work. It's called A Tale of the Sea. This work is famous for the literary expressionism that the preface holds. It is about a black West Indian sailor named James Wade who was sailing on the ship Narcissus, and he had fallen deadly ill, and the crew members rescue him from the cabin during a storm. This is the story of the Knicker of Narcissus. Narcissus is the name of the ship, and the nigger is James Wade. The next work is Heart of Darkness, which was published on 1902. In this, you have a character named Charles Marlowe who is initially narrating his sea experiences, his adventures in sea to the narrator of our work, Heart of Darkness. But later, Marlowe himself turns narrator and he discusses his experiences. He wants to meet a man called Kurtz, who is an ivory trader in Africa and who has exploited the African people for long. He is going to meet him. He plans the trip to Congo, and while he was going to Congo, he goes to the central station, and then finally he reaches the inner station where Kurtz is living, and he reaches the inner station only to find that Kurtz is very ill and he dies uttering the words, the horror, the horror. This work is criticized by Chinua Achebe for its presentation of Africa as a place of darkness. Next work is Lord Jim, which was published on 1899. It presents the story of Jim, who is a ship captain, and he commits a gross crime. He leaves his ship partner because it was going to get drowned. During those days, the captains, they were not allowed to leave the ship even if the ship is succumbed by water. Next work is Nostromo. Nostromo was set in the mining town of Sulaco, and the central character is Charles Gault, who is a native of English descent. Nostromo is given certain silver coins by Charles Gault, and you find that he tries to keep the silver, but later he finds that he is actually exploited by Charles Gault, who is having silver mining concessions and who uses those to help the Ribeira government. Other major works by Joseph Conrad are The Secret Agent, Under Western Eyes, The Shadow Line, A Confession, 1917. That's all about Joseph Conrad. Thank you.